It's me, Jaden, and we're just going to go outside and catch a couple footballs. I'll see you out there. Alright guys, we're out here and it is a little wetter than I thought because it just got finished raining. And I am wearing the Yeezys, not the Yeezys, my bad, the Arachis, I don't know what I'm thinking. So, I think we're going to go inside and change. So I guess I'll see you again in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, we are back and we got the older shoes on so we don't get worry about getting muddy and stuff like that. So let's do some catches. Alright guys, you see this first catch and it is starting to sprinkle. As you can see, it is not the best of weather. So I think we might have to postpone this, but we'll give you a couple more catches. Sorry guys, we weren't able to give you that last catch, but a lightning bolt just struck right there out there in the field and I have just taken off like across the sheet. I am very scared right now and I don't think we're gonna be doing this no more for today. So I'll see you back inside. And I'd like to give a shout out to my cameraman when I was inside, my brother Brice. He has his YouTube channel linked down in the description. So yeah, we're going back inside. All right, we're inside our house and it is freaking crazy out there. Like, it is raining. I don't know if you can see the raindrops, but you can see them landing on our screen door. And, like, there's lightning hitting all the way down there. Like, I'm shivering. Like, I'm shaking right now. I was so scared.
It hit on that building over there.
Yeah, it's raining hard, so we're not going to be able to go back outside, guys. So, yeah. So, we're going to just go back to my room. Alright guys, so we're back in my room and that was a heck of a day. Like, I know it wasn't that long of a video, but that was very terrifying. That was like the closest lightning's ever struck, and it was like right here, so I was like, wow. So that was me, Jaden, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.